guys, welcome back to another video here. And we are playing Roblox. Playing Electric State in beta. We lost the shit. It's gone.
If something happens to me,
come here, I'm gonna whack you with the stick.
Of up to £20,000. So at least they won't.
And this is my buddy.
Pay for my fuel.
I'm the mayor.
And depending on what
can I do a dropship?
Protection could start from as little as £1.81 per.
Hey, Mac.
I'll pay more than that for a cup of coffee.
So make a promise to help protect your family from the high cost.
Don't kill the soldiers. There's 4 of them.
Promise Life today on 0800 907 0797.
Hello.
But with the AA, you don't need to worry. Join from just £5 a month.
Where are you all going?
Cutting edge technology means our mechanics can fix 8 out of 10 cars.
Are they checking your house?
Around 30 minutes. And with us, you get unlimited call-outs, so we'll always keep you rolling. So why wait?
Who the hell's this guy?
Membership from £5 a month. Search AA Winter or call 0800 107 1720.
Who's he?
AA, because anything can happen.
Step on to a leisure holiday.
Who are you?
And step off into beautiful locations, fascinating history, and picturesque places. Experience wonderful times and create lasting memories. With a wide range of fully escorted tours from hundreds of pickup points or airports, step onto a leisure holiday and let us take care of everything. Visit leisure.co.uk or call now to request a brochure.
Buying a new car,
well,
don't do it the old way. Traipsing around dealers, haggling, never knowing if you're getting a good deal. Go to CarWow, there's everything you need to confidently choose and buy the right car. When you're ready, we'll bring you offers from local and national approved dealers. Compare your offers by price, location and dealer rating and buy directly from your preferred dealer. No haggling, no hidden charges. CarWow buyers save on average £3,600.
Come on, Mac.
Get the right deal on your new car. Go to carwow.com now.
Stop shooting the confetti gun.
This baby bear is terrified. Torn from her mother's.
Stop shooting the confetti gun. Why didn't you sell the stupid confetti gun?
They will force her to live alone in a tiny, filthy cage. Like so many bears.
Why didn't you sell the stupid confetti gun?
Rubbing their wounds raw against the bars. Suffering cruelly day after day, year after year, just for people's entertainment.
Oh, Mac, I got a black one.
Found little Potat crammed into a tiny, squalid cage.
Where's the stupid military base?
9 years, lonely and isolated.
Ooh, look at this thing.
There are so many more.
Is this the old spawn point?
Please call 0800 038 0456 or text CUP4 to 78866 and give £2 a month to help rescue them. Every month, your £2 could help us free more bears. Help give bears the veterinary care they need and help them live happy, healthy lives in the freedom of our natural sanctuaries. Call 0800 038 0456 or text CUP4 to 78866 and give £2 a month and help Four Paws free bears from agonising torture.
What are you going to do, base here?
Don't leave these bears to suffer for a single day more.
When your plane has been hijacked by one of the most dangerous terrorists,
You want this to be our base?
one thing for certain.
Well, if we're going to make this our base, then we should make it the military base, because I'm the mayor.
Tomorrow at 9 on TCM.
Mel Gibson and Bruce Spence star in the action film Mad Max 2, The Road Warrior.
No, I won't make them building buddies. I won't make them building buddies. I'm gonna build a little C. Where's all my soldiers gone?
Anyway, Joy, I thought you'd gone with him.
Gone?
Yes, gone. I built
What the hell is this?
I kept telling myself, well, at least she's looking at a man. Even a wisp of smoke like that is better than a... I forget. Now, what does that mean?
What's this?
Tell me what that means.
right.
But there could be printers in here.
Is there anything for your ma and
That gives me the right to read, but
No bothering.
it's blocked off. Seriously? Whoa!
Back. I'll see him again.
This is pretty
You
cool.
expected to see him this morning. You know you did. I don't care. I'll see him again. Look.
Oh my god!
You had a grown man to do that? I did. Just like in the book.
Guess what, buddy? You messed up. The soldiers are coming.
Crazy words. I told you before. Take the words as a sentiment. You didn't even giggle or nothing at such foolishness. You said it was a real solemn occasion. Like shooting the rapids without a paddle. No matter what he said, he did it just to get rid of you so he could clear out. You know that's...
Max, should I use C4?
And you're lucky he did. Do you want to live like a squaw all your life? Come on. Say anything you like.
Can't shoot me, you can't shoot me.
Again, I know I will. He ain't got a wife and 6 kids.
See you later, boys.
He ain't got a wife at all yet.
Kill this man. Fire a rabbit. Don't kill the mayor.
Yeah! Someone coming up river!
I'm dead. Okay, I'm gonna see what this person sells.
Customer!
No, I don't want your stupid weapons.
Driver seems
I wouldn't sold for $1.
See how that covered belly's up? Could be furs.
God, Mac, can you be a gun dealer? See what they sell.
Thirsty, mister?
iron and grass?
Is this seriously a printer? This shows how bad my force is.
Welcome to our little engine. My name is Jim Hawkins, late colonel of the Alabama militia. Where you bound for? Pittsburgh. Pittsburgh? Where?
Looks like he's got a whole canoe of furs coat. Sure enough, mountain man.
Indeed. One of our brave explorers going to extend our domain to the first shores of the Pacific.
What the hell's an XM?
Finest for you, sir. Whiskey? Right. No pepper and rattlesnake heads to me. Nothing but the pure main of the
Nah, I'll buy an AK.
Never mind, the cop I'll just take the job. Oh, real mountain man, eh? I trust you'll toast our noble Danny here, sir. Sure will. Now.
XM. Woo! Look at that gun. Mac. Look at this gun.
You're right, that's real sick.
Damn.
Oh, I'm being a trapper. You
May got a new gun.
Well, see, now he might. Yes, sir, he just might. Sir, we caught us a cave dwelling that no man of these parts had ever seen before. And you know he'd be right satisfied to have you tell us what it is. Well, I don't know too much about
What
cave
the bloody
dwelling
hell
parts.
is
Just tell me. Take your time.
Well,
this? Who made this? I'm gonna call my dropship and say who made this.
It's right over here. You know where the sweet talking gals in Pittsburgh?
no. Carry on, yeah.
Pop and I are hoping to go vacation with you.
I'll be at the Duquesne house and they burnt down. Hey there, now you
And my soldier seriously just ran off.
sure you good and farm in here.
You hear him? Breathes loud and fierce. We keep him in this hole just yonder.
He been there?
Gotta look a little closer.
Damn, I like this gun. Let's go, Mac. Wait. Mac, I'd go on the floor just in case anybody seems to be insane.
Oh, you just need more practice, that's all. You should be able to that you are here. God rest your soul. All right, men. Lay on, men. Come on, come on. We got more fish to fry. Down the aisle.
What's this? Mac, a free scavenge station. Well, what's in here? No, come on. Exit drill mode. I'm going back in. What?
Tell Paul them settlers ransom coming.
Yeah. I'm gonna make a military base for my damn soldiers, cause
How much is it?
you want printers? You want printers?
15 cents. Put it back. You're right, sir. Absolutely right.
I won't Mac, do you know what I'll do? I'll make them not to radio. If they radio, I'll fucking kill them.
I'm striving to avoid becoming a millionaire, and I think I've succeeded right well.
I'll make sure that they can't go past it. I'll lock them in, Mac. I'll lock them in.
Exactly. Now, you, sir, you look like a man of property. Now, if I was to bet, I'd say you was worth, say, $1,000. Pretty close to mine.
Well, close, maybe.
Give me a sec. Is there like a big, massive... Mac, by any chance, do you know if there's like a massive billboard sign? Like literally, I mean massive. You know what, Mac? You wanna change it to the end of the video because we've only got about 13 minutes left.
How much powder we got left? Don't be afraid, man. Don't be afraid. Women and children.
You wanna end it off here?
Not shoot now, would you? Be careful. Why, it's, you know, no tradition.
Yeah, let's end it off here. So guys, we're gonna end it off here. Mac, we're gonna end it off here because we've only got 2 minutes left. Did you seriously just do that?
I'll see you burn.
So, see you guys.